So here we have the new Vaporesso LUXE. Gorgeous looking device here. So let's dive down and take a closer look at some of its features and design. Here we are. So the front of the device is a very nice finish in a gloss plastic. We've got a color screen which is bright. We've got illuminated functions on the top and the bottom. This one up here is just simply a logo which turns on whenever you turn the device on, and the Vaporesso logo up here is printed on. On the bottom we've got micro USB charging port to charge the device up. You can charge the batteries internally. We've got venting ports at the bottom for the batteries. We've got nothing down this side. Along the top we've got a 510 connector for your tank and a physical fire button on the side. On the back we've got this very unique crosshatch pattern. This back part is actually removable, it's held on with magnets, and each color version has its own unique pattern for the back. Very nice. So let's look at the front. Let's unlock the device. To do this we give the fire button 3 clicks. So let's give it 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3. This unlocks the device, and we can use these touch buttons on the bottom. So 3 clicks with the menu button here brings us into the menu, and the dots on either side is to navigate. So the first mode we have here is a variable wattage mode. This is what you'll be using straight out of the box. And we've got a super user mode. This is if you build your own coils. Allows you to go down to 0.05 ohms. Next we've got a variable temperature mode. Next up we've got variable voltage mode. We've got a power curve function. We've got a bypass mode and a DIY function as well. This allows you to set the different fire rates for each mode. Let's jump into settings and see what else we have in here. Okay, we can reset the device to default settings. We can adjust the time and date. We can adjust the screen brightness and reset the puff counter. We've got a smart on and off function which turns the device off if it notices it's not being used. We've got an auto on and off which turns the device off after a certain time period. We've got a screen timeout which turns the screen off only after a certain time period. And we've got illumination on and off for these buttons down here. We've got a vibration mode, we can turn that on and off, and we can check the software version. So the device is rated at 220 watts maximum. It holds 2 18650 batteries, and it's available in several different colors including blue, black, silver, and a rainbow version with unique patterns on the back. So check out our website, pop at the store if you want to see one firsthand. And this is London Vape Company showing you the Vaporesso LUXE. Peace out.